A lot of people might not like the forecast.
Uh-oh.
It's going to be a little hot.
Hot.
It's
Yeah.
summer. But it's summer, yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least we're not going to get some crazy weather coming in. No tornadoes or hurricanes, anything like that. Nice weather for the holiday weekend. That's what everybody wants. 92 was the high today, a little bit below the average of 93. The record 103, so nowhere close to that, but pretty much on track for the average for the most part. We're down almost 2.5 inches of rainfall on the year, though. Didn't get a whole lot at the airport over the last few days. We could use a little bit, that is for sure. Beautiful look of downtown San Antonio thanks to Skycam 5. 82 the current temperature. Dew point has crept back up to 70 degrees, making the feels like temperature of 86. We do have a breeze east-southeast at 10 miles per hour, and that east-southeast component is helping to drive up that dew point a little more so, and that typically happens during the overnight hours as the muggies move back in. 82 right now for Pleasanton, also in Seguin, 79 San Marcos, 79 in Boerne. George West still very warm at 85, 84 in Cotulla, 84 Carrizo Springs, and 83 degrees in Del Rio. It feels pretty warm outside as well. Still feels like 93 for George West, 86 in Pleasanton, 81 for Boerne. Kerrville, the cooler spot, feels like 78 degrees. You can see nothing going on for First Alert Doppler radar. Had a few isolated sprinkles popping up, nothing reaching the ground. Any activity today was along the coastline and offshore. That's associated with an upper level area of low pressure that's now speeding away from us, taking away any storm activity. And as high pressure builds in, it puts a cap on the atmosphere. The air sinks underneath it and it dries out. Walking through the next 48 hours, the clock in the upper left will start you out at drive time tomorrow, 7:10 in the morning. Notice we'll have some cloud cover out there. I think we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy, and it'll be muggy in the morning, a typical summer-like day for South Texas. By the end of the afternoon, mostly sunny skies for us. Not much cloud cover to be found, no rainfall. Up to around 100 for Carrizo Springs, 90s for everybody else. Same story tomorrow night. The clouds move back in and that moisture creeps back in. And then as we head through the afternoon, by the end of the day, more sunshine for you. Chances for rain pretty much out of the forecast, and the heat will continue to build as well. That's because that ridge of high pressure will only strengthen, and we'll see those darker oranges bubble up a little more so, especially over the Four Corners later on in the week next week. That'll move overhead, and most of the country will have above normal temperatures heading past the July 4th holiday. 74 the overnight low tonight, partly cloudy skies going along with that, and those winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Looking ahead to the next 7 days, tomorrow's high 95, 96 on Friday, both days mostly sunny skies, and we'll keep it at 96 through the weekend with a few more clouds Saturday and Sunday. Looking ahead to the holiday itself, the 4th of July, a high in the mid to upper 90s, and the next chance for rain on Wednesday, but it's not much of a chance, only 10%. But by then we will definitely take anything we can get. It's going to get dry once again. I'm going to have to keep an eye on that aquifer. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Jeremy.